Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the poem My Mother at 66, which is composed by Kamla Das, who is an Indian writer or poet, and she has written in English also. So her poems deal with human relationships or they are filled with Indianness. So, in the present poem, she tells us about a very beautiful relationship between a mother and her daughter. The daughter, Kamla Das, is the narrator of the poem, and as you know, she is the composer of the poem also. So, Kamla Das, who is the narrator of the poem, is driving in a car from her parents' home to Cochin Airport on one Friday. And her mother was sitting beside her in the car. She was 66 years old. And when the poet looked at the face of her mother, she found that her mother looked as old as she was at that time. And this thing troubled poet's mind. She was very sad because she did not want to get separated from her mother as it was her old age, and old age is no very vulnerable. So nobody can tell whether a person would be alive or not when he is in his old age. This was the condition of the poet's mother also. So she was too much worried. But just to put these thoughts away from her mind, she looked outside the window of the car. And when she looked outside, she found that trees were sprinting. Now, what's the meaning of sprinting? Sprinting means moving very fast. Whenever you are going in a vehicle, you see that when you look outside environment, the whole environment is moving fast with you. So the same happened here, and when the poet looked outside, the outside environment was moving very fast, and she noticed one more thing. Some children were coming out of their homes to play, and the children were very happy. See, children, there is a contrast in two things: old age and youth. The poet's mother was growing older day by day, while on the other side, the trees which were moving very fast were young. And the children who were coming out to play were very happy, full of energy, and very young also. So the contrast is between old age, which is a symbol of decay and destruction, and youth, which is a symbol of energy, of happiness, and of enthusiasm and growth. So, after some time, when the poet reached at the airport security check, she again looked back towards the face of her mother, which was looking very dull, and it was looking as a late winter's moon. You know, now what is the meaning of late winter's moon? In winter season, during late nights, when we look at moon, it is so dull and without any shining. So in the same way, the poet's mother's face was dull and shineless, like a late winter's moon. But the poet was unable to say anything. She was afraid of being separated from her mother, as in her childhood there was a fear in poet's mind that she would be separated from her mother one day. And you know, when we are in our childhood, we always feel a fear if we don't found our mother around us. So in her childhood, we always want to be surrounded by our mother. The same fear haunted the poet's mind again this time, and she did not want to go, but she had to go. And at the end, she could only utter a few words: "See you soon, Amma." Those few words were to assure herself and her mother that they would be meeting very soon, and she smiled and smiled, and just smiled to hide her feelings. So this was the poem, and in the next video we will be sharing some questions regarding the poem. Thank you. I hope all of you will might have understood the poem very well.